So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Citigroup put options in Canada, ticker symbol C here on Wealthsimple. So once you're into your Wealthsimple account, go to this bottom bar and press on the magnifying glass. Then go to the top search bar and press on the search bar, and then type in Citigroup, because if you type in ticker symbol C, it's probably not going to come up that easily. So go ahead and type in Citigroup. Go to the second option right here where it says C with the options thing beside it, where it says Citigroup Incorporated on the New York Stock Exchange. Go ahead and press on that one. Then go to the bottom and press on buy, and then press on options. Now, if you wish to buy some Citigroup put options here in Canada, go to the top where it says, I believe that C will rise by. Press on where it says rise. Go ahead and press on the bottom where it says put option. Then it should say C will fall by. So go ahead and press on put option. Now it says C will fall by September 29th. So if you want to go ahead and change the date of the expiry or the expiry date, press on that right there. And then change it to whatever date down the road that you wish the options to expire on. So if you wanted to go in the money, scroll up. There's a whole bunch of different options in the money here. If you want to go out of the money, a bunch of different strike prices here of out of the money. So if you wanted to do a strike price right here of $38 USD, go ahead and press on that one. And to confirm this purchase, go to the bottom and press on buy. And there you go. That is how you guys can buy Citigroup put options here in Canada. Ticker symbol C here on Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.